All right, we're here at JTech talking about compressors. I'm gonna talk about three different type of compressors that we use in the automotive world today. And the first one you see here is a rotary type compressor. It works just like a rotary engine. These things right here slides out and pushes the fluid in. Once it pushes the fluid in, it compresses it and then it blows it back out. Just like a rotary engine, this is how this works. One thing about this compressor, it do not have a sensor on it that measure the pressure sensor. It don't have one. This rotor right here, this compressor right here, is not widely used in the auto world, but it is used, and it does what it's supposed to do. But it's not one of the best compressors. This is the other part of it here, and once you put all this together, you have your compressor. You got your bearing here, and this is the top part of that compressor. All right, next compressor we're going to talk about is a piston compressor. Basically what it is here, this compressor works like a piston. You can see it's going in and out here. Pretty simple. It goes in and out here. You got pistons on that side and you have pistons on this side here. And as we spin it, goes in and out. It sucks the fluid in and blows it back out. Pretty simple. This one don't have a pressure switch neither. It's pretty simple, and once you put it all back together, you got the different races and everything. Once all this is put together, this is what you have is one major compressor. And look here, this is another compressor. This has a wobble plate, and if you look at it and it turns inside there, you see that plate right there. Right here, it's the plate right there. It's a wobble plate, and what it is, when this turns, it goes up and down. And you got these spacers inside here that keep it real smooth. Now, if you look on the inside right here, it has pistons. That's the same. It has pistons the same, and what it does when you turn it, it goes in and out and compresses the refrigerant and does what it's supposed to do: suck it in, blow it out, and create the pressure to do what it. But the difference between this one and the other ones is that this one has a pressure switch, which is right here. The pressure switch has these three little holes in it, which is 1, 2, 3, and what it does, depending on what it needs, it'll blow refrigerant out of there into the system so that it can create pressure. Now, if the pressure gets too high, it will actually shut it down. So that's the difference between this one and the one over here. This one do not have a pressure switch. This one does have a compressor switch. And the one I showed you earlier, which is this one here, is more of a rotary type compressor. Now, out in the field, will we get into all this? Probably not, unless you're in a specialized shop. If you get a specialized shop, you work on these different compressors. This is a compressor that's all the way finished and done, ready to be installed inside of an engine or a car. So it's pretty simple process. Yes, it costs money to get it done. It's good here in Florida because everybody wants their AC, but it's a pretty good system. I enjoy working on it, and like I said before, this may not be the level of depthness of going into if you just work in the auto shop. More likely, you're going to work only moving them and installing them, but actually breaking them down, this will be more of a specialized thing. And that's basically it. Thank you.